Do you guys want to find some great luxury pieces that are under $1,000? Everything I'm going to show you today is under 1,000. Actually, a few are even under 500. Hi my loves, welcome back. So I'm very excited about this video because everything I'm featuring is at such great price points. It's getting harder and harder to find items under $1,000 because, you know, the luxury brands keep increasing their prices. So everything here is actually under 1,000 Australian dollars or under 700 USD. So even better for all my US fam bam. A lot of them are new season items. I'm going to tell you how you can get discounts on them. So let's get started. All right, first up, I'm already wearing it and it's gonna come at no surprise to a lot of you, but it is this beautiful floral blouse. And yes, if you can see behind me, it is from Zimmermann. And just a little tip for you guys, for everyone that loves Zimmermann, shop the swim and resort range. They tend to be a lot better priced than the other collections because they can range from like a couple of $100s up to a few $1,000s. So I like shopping their resort range because the blouses are, you know, a bit more affordable. So I actually didn't buy this from the Zimmermann website. I actually got it from Brown's Fashion, and a lot of my UK fan bam will know them. They've been around for like over 50 years. They're super reputable. They've got a boutique in the UK. I think even Farfetch backs them. So yeah, they came in this box, but I wanted to wear it for the video. And yeah, I got it from them because for new season Zimmermann, you can get 15% off. So this code is, they didn't give it to me. This video is not sponsored by Browns or anything, but I do have a refer a friend. And so if you just enter Melbourne, I'll leave the little link below, you can get 15% off like new season items, not just from Zimmermann, but I think it works on Valentino, Ferragamo, even Burberry, which a lot of those brands, which I just mentioned, are excluded from promo codes. So yeah, use my promo code. And if it doesn't work, just try again the next day because I think there's a limit to the refer a friend, but you can't get Zimmermann, well, the new season pieces at 15% off. So this in Australian dollars is $695. But when you take 15% off, it comes to about 590 Australian dollars. Likewise, USD, this is the same price. You will find that Zimmermann's priced a bit higher because Zimmermann is an Australian brand. But when we get to another item I'll feature, it actually works out, that item works out way cheaper in the US, but more expensive for us. So sometimes depending on where the product comes from, that's why there's some slight price discrepancies. I love Zimmermann blouses. I own several of them. This is also one that they repeat, but I wanted to try this one because it's more tapered along the waist. So it still has all these beautiful buttons. I love that each individual button is covered. This fabrication is a blend of linen and silk, so natural materials, which I love. And for me, I always love wearing blouses and casualizing it with denim. And you've seen me wear these shorts countless times. They're just my express shorts. I still think they have them. They're so comfortable, so cheap. I think they're $40 or under. But yeah, I just love pairing it with shorts to dress it up or wear some heels, which I've got my Jimmy Choo heels. But the nice thing about this blouse is that you can untuck it. And as you can see, it's a little bit more shaped. So if I want to wear it with pants, you don't have to wear it tucked in, and it still, you know, gives you a bit more of an hourglass figure, which I really like. And I just adore the color. It's in this beautiful sort of sage green, obsessed with sage green, and floral, no surprise there. But I love how just the mixture of floral and colors, it is just very me. So Zimmermann, no surprise, one of my favorite Australian designers. So this is the first item. Next up, I have a new bag to show you, and boy, am I impressed. Again, I got it from Browns. It came in this bag here. You saw it on the front cover, but it is, dun, 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 this beautiful leather bucket bag. Now it is from Tory Burch, and Tory Burch to me is still a luxury brand. I actually think Tory Burch has improved a lot. So this is the Tory Burch bag, just a very plain, I think sort of like cotton recycled bag, but this bag, I'm so impressed because one, the price point, which I'll tell you in a second, but it is just in this beautiful leather. And I love the pattern. Doesn't it remind you of Chanel? I know Chanel did a vintage version that looked like this, and it's got this sort of like cross detailing stitch pattern. But obviously Chanel's version, if you were to buy this, is like 5,000-6,000, probably even more now, but you can get this at, yeah, a tenth of the cost. And this comes in a lot of different colors. I think there might be one more of this, but of course, if you don't want cream, it comes in black. I think they may even come out with a yellow. I think that's the new season color. But let me show you. So to open it up, it's just this pull down toggle, very easy. And it fits a decent amount. So I'll take everything out and let's just undo this because this is definitely a keeper. Okay, lots of packaging. So I'm gonna cut everything off. I actually really like the strap as well. The strap is really nice. So let's cut all the tags off because I love this. It looks so much more expensive than it is. So this is the strap. It is adjustable and obviously detachable. And I love that it's got a little bit of chain and leather mix. So you can just attach that on here. And I love a bag that, you know, has the option of a shoulder strap. Okay, so the price of this bag, guys, it is so good for a full leather bag, as you can see. It is only 450 USD. So then if you take 15% off, when you put in my code Melbourne, it will give you a prompt to put your email in and then it will email you that code just to let you know. So anyway, it takes that down to like 383 USD. This is what I mean by in the US, this is a lot cheaper for you guys because Tory Burch is a US brand. For Aussies, don't worry, it's still under 1,000, but it's a little bit more expensive for us, but like Zimmerman's cheaper for us. So this in Australian dollars is 830, but then after the 15%, it ends up being about $705. So I love this bag. So inside it's all material, fabric lined, but you can see there's plenty of space. And I just want to show you, so I have an iPhone 14 Pro and easy. It'll fit in there. So just really quickly, some of my, you know, essentials, my mini pochette, that fits in there. I love this YSL card holder. This is a bigger card holder that fits in there. I've got some Easter eggs. By the time this video goes live, it'll be Easter. So happy Easter. Love some chocolate. Let's put that in there. I've got some mints that will go in there. Fastia. So this is like really packed. You wouldn't have to pack all of that, but you can see it all fits in there. Let me just close it up. So as you can see, it all fits in there fine, but that would be the max I would carry. So it looks teeny tiny, but you can see everything I fit in there. You don't even need to put the card case and the mini pochette. You could even fit a pair of sunglasses. Let's actually even just try that. So just say I take my mini pochette out. I want my sunnies in a soft case. Okay, plenty of room. You can wear this casually. You can wear it on really anything. Black, cream, it goes with everything. So what I've paired this with is just like a very simple cashmere knit, some wool blend pants. And as you can see, whenever you wear one color, it really elongates the leg. So I've kept it all one tone or similar tones. And I just love how it looks. What do you guys think? That is such a good bag. Even if you didn't get the discount, $450. I mean, that's not even a card holder in Chanel now. So I think this is a great option. I love letting you guys know about new items I've discovered that are great price points. And yeah, I'm really, really impressed with this bag. Next up is a little something from LV. And LV's prices have gone up a lot as well. And I originally wasn't going to get this. So I did get this earlier in the year, but I haven't had a chance to reveal it. But I really do like this and there's a bit of meaning towards it. So I've already opened it up, but you can get items in LV, well, they're SLGs that are under 500. This one's under 500 Australian, so even cheaper for everyone in the US or UK. And it is this, dun, 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 flat card holder. So I thought I missed out on this. This is their limited edition animation. You know how they come up with it every year. And originally I wasn't going to get it, but I did want this one because this one is the one of the Seoul Maison. And you guys know last year hubby and I went to Seoul. We visited this Maison. It is beautiful. If you haven't seen my Korea playlist, I will link it above. I did a vlog in this Maison. The staff was so lovely there. And yeah, we love Korea. Love, love, love Korea. And I just thought Miss Vivienne was so cute holding her little in the loop bag. I love the little pop of pink. So this in Australian dollars when I bought it was about 475, and I don't think it's available anymore, but you can definitely check out the pre-love market. This year around like October or something like that, they'll come out with the new animations, but I probably only get them if I really, really love them. But I thought this was so cute, and that is why I got this. Next up is actually something for hubby. And I think a lot of you guys may have known about this brand already. It is Veja. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Let me know in the comments below if you guys own any of their shoes, but they are a Brazilian company, I believe. And I have been told their shoes are so comfortable, so I wanted to buy hubby a pair. And again, I also got these from Browns because why not? There was the 15%. So they are these sneakers here. I think these are their classics. They come in so many different colors, but I like that it has that little bit of suede at the back of the shoe. And then here it's got that V. And yeah, it's still white sneakers, but it's got blue, which you know is hubby's favorite color. And these are so comfortable. He tried them on and he was like, so comfortable, and he's got a wider foot. So tip for all you guys, if you want to buy, you know, your partner a pair of shoes, these are priced really, really well. And what's really cool about this brand is the sustainability part. Like I can read on the sole of the shoe, the sole is made from Amazonian rubber, and I know a lot of their uppers are made in a lot of recycled materials, organic cotton for the laces, things like that. So yeah, I really like that brand ethos as well. But most importantly, hubby loves them. So they run true to size. Hubby got his usual size, which is a 42, and he loves them, so I'm happy. So the price of this is 145 USD, so super well priced. And in Australian, it's about 225. So that's before the 15%. So I just think they're very well made, and yeah, definitely do try them out. They don't just come in men's, they come in ladies as well. And what is a haul without something pre-loved? And in this Dior bag, I shouldn't say I got, hubby, I was so impressed. Hubby actually found this, and he found it from The Real because The Real were having a sale or something, maybe like an extra 20% off. So it's in this really sort of thick fabric. It feels like cotton, but when I looked at the label, it's actually a virgin wool mix, which you wouldn't be able to tell, but it feels very luxurious. The cut is super Dior. It's just got a zip all the way down. As you can see me trying it on, it definitely comes out at the waist more. I love that it's got pockets. Something like this in Dior would definitely set you back thousands. You guys know I went to Dior recently and did a vlog. I'll link that up. Oh, by the way, what I got from that, there's a whole story to that, but that's another video. But that is coming. So this is just so classic. I mean, the color, the cut, and the best thing is that you can find pre-loved ready to wear at really great prices. You know, I'm a big advocate for shopping pre-love or vintage, even thrifting I love, which you guys said I should do another thrift video. I probably should. I might go with my sister. But anyway, hubby got this for like all up, including, you know, duties and everything like that, 750 Australian dollars. So that's like maybe about 500 USD. So how good is that? It is in excellent condition. There's cat hair over it because Chino and Chai have probably been on it because it is actually quite soft. But yeah, I think it's a great find. So you can find luxury, high-end designer brands like Dior or even Louis Vuitton at under $1,000. And the last item that I have to show you, which is under $1,000, even under 1,000 Australian dollars, is something new from Fendi. And I've actually seen it on the Fendi website. I've seen it from other retailers at so much more. Let me just open it up to show you. And it is, love these gorgeous classic pair of Fendi baguette heels. So really good heel height. I think maybe it's 7 centimeters, but I love that it's just the Fendi baguette. It's just all tan. I mean, it's just it's gonna go with everything, this neutral. So I actually got this from Italist. Now I've told you about Italist before. They have stores in Italy, I think Milan and a couple of other places. But yeah, they have items that are new season, but they're much cheaper than retail. Like their range isn't as good as, you know, the bigger guys like Farfetch or My Teresa, but you can find some gems on there because sometimes they even have YSL on sale, they have Fendi on sale. I'm going to list some of my favorites down below, but they are completely legit. They have physical stores in Italy, and yeah, I am really, really happy with this purchase because, yeah, I saved myself hundreds of dollars. So this, I believe, is close to 1,200 Australian dollars, but I ended up paying, I think it was 850 or something like that, but then you do have to pay for duties and stuff. These are classic, they are timeless, they are comfortable. So I really wanted to share that with you as well. So do check out Italist as well. So that is it for this video, guys. A mixture of shoes, clothes, a bag that is all under $1,000. I love it when we can find items that we love and they don't have, you know, they don't break the bank. If you guys have any favorite labels that you want me to check out, do let me know as well. But I know you guys enjoy these type of videos where, you know, you can get some great luxury items under 1,000 or even under 500. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Wishing you again a happy Easter. We are off to church. As you guys know, I am a Christian. So of course, celebrating that, you know, our Savior has risen. Thank you all for watching. Take care and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.